I'm doing a kitchen for a returning customer. She just had a new kitchen put in, but she wasn't able to get it plastered. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to get the walls prepped, I'll get the walls lined, and then we'll take it to a full decoration. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll also put a full cost breakdown at the end, and also how much profit we've made for January.
Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby.
Hello?
Hey babe, did you put that money for my business account in?
Yeah, how much do you need in it?
Put another 100 in, and then I'll phone you when I'm out and whatever's left just put back.
Okay.
Okay?
Right, bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you.
I have to phone the actual boss. I'm just filing these old tapes out more so that I can sand them flush. You know the script, get your mask on. It's honestly the worst part of the job. I use my spirit level to create a horizontal line, and then that way my lining paper will be straight. I prefer using ready-made wall adhesive to hang my lining paper. 1700 grit is perfect to hide any blemishes on the wall. In case you haven't seen it before, this is called a Cosentino fold, and it makes hanging linen paper so much easier. Always remember to soak your linen paper as well. That is some difference already. Right, so that's the sanding now done. And I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but you see this lip that's coming the whole way down here? What I'm going to do is try and scrape as much of the junk out of that as I can, and then we're going to caulk it. It's turned out quite nicely. I didn't show you on the camera before, I don't think, but this area of the wall was really rough from all the old grout from the tiles beforehand, but it kind of came up quite nicely. So by the time we paint it and stuff like that, it will, I think it'll turn out no bad. It looks like at one point these facings have came off for whatever reason I don't know, and then they've been stuck back on, probably when they were putting this new kitchen in. So the next job for me is to sand down, I don't know if you can see on the camera here, but all these wee bits here, they all need a wood filler. I like to use a wood filler called One Time. But I'll fill all these wee nail holes out. I'll fill the risbons or miters, whatever you want to call them, wee cuts at the top here. Get them all nice and smooth so that when it's dry I can sand them down, and that's all flush, and then that's another part of the prep finished. Now it's time to start getting the ceiling cut in. Now the walls. Now that the cutting is done, it's time to start rolling the ceiling and the walls. That's the first coat on, and we're already looking 10 times better. I'm not going to show me doing all the second coat again, but I will be second coating it. I'll maybe put a clip in just of me cutting in a wall maybe quickly It shows that it's been second coated. Once the emulsioning is done, the final job is to paint the woodwork. I'm using a satin finish here. Again, I'm just showing the first coat on the camera, but all woodwork has been painted twice. Here's some pictures to remind you what it looked like before. And this is how it turned out once we were done. That's job number 3 done for January, and the final bill is sitting at £860. £750 of that was labour and £110 was material. Again, it was another job that kind of turned out great. It's a really great feeling when you do so much prep and do all the lining and stuff like that to make it back to looking brand new. It's so satisfying. So yeah, £860 in total for that job. I spent, I think it was 30 hours as well, so I think it kind of worked out around £25 an hour in total for me. So in January so far, for the whole of January up until now, we've made £2,520. I still have another job, obviously coming up after this one, that's to be completed. This is a bigger job as well, with multiple rooms in it, so come the end of this job, that will be my final total for January. So it'll be good to sit and actually have a full breakdown of how much we've done, how much we've made, how much hours we've put into it, and make a quick video out of it. So I hope you enjoy what I've done so far, and I'll see you in the next one.